Hi, welcome to J Talks. I'm Josna Cardoza, and today I'll be talking about why do LLMs hallucinate? One of the most frustrating but yet fascinating problems in generative AI is hallucinations. When we say hallucination in AI, we don't really mean it's dreaming. What it means is it produces an answer that looks confident but is actually a made up answer by the AI, or you could say it's a false answer. For example, let's say LLM sometimes confidently explains a concept, but it adds on some details in it that are completely wrong or they don't exist. And why does this hallucinations happen? There are four possible reasons why this could happen. First one, as we all know, LLMs predict. They predict the next word based on the pattern. LLMs do not understand the output result that what they generate. They just predict based on a pattern, and there is no source of truth for LLMs where they can get the actual data from. Based on the learned patterns, it generates the most likely next word. Let's say there is a gap in what it learned from training and what the result is being produced. It just tries to fill the gaps with something that sounds plausible. Second, models aren't trained on real-time data. So if you ask something that the model isn't trained on, it just tries to improvise. Third, overgeneralization, which means if the model learns a common pattern, let's say the user profile, if you ask for a non-existing user, what it does is it tries to follow the pattern and generates a fake profile for you. Fourth one, training data issues. This happens if the data has error or gaps, or sometimes bias might get introduced somehow, maybe by the developer or by the data. There are ways to avoid hallucinations, at least being worked on. The current technologies that are being done are, first one is RAG model or retrieval augmented generation model. This mainly focuses on fetching the real documents from a database or search engine and then generate the answer instead of just predicting there will be a source of truth. Second, fact-checking pipelines. A second tool that verifies the output, whether it's a fact or is it just made up by the AI. Third, human feedback. There are some studies that say human feedbacks during training should reduce hallucinations. Hallucinations happens because system provides the false results with confidence. It's because model doesn't know the answer. What we need right now is a system that keeps the model grounded in truth. I hope you found today's talk useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon in the next talk.